Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the GreenPan Chatham hard anodized healthy ceramic nonstick saucepan set. A must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. This set includes 1.1 QT and 2.1 QT saucepans, each equipped with a diamond-infused ceramic nonstick coating that ensures effortless cooking and extraordinary durability, all while being free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. The hard anodized body provides incredible strength and scratch resistance, making these pans a long-lasting addition to your cookware collection. With matte stainless steel handles, you can enjoy a safe and secure grip, while the tempered glass lids allow you to keep an eye on your culinary creations. Designed with pouring rims, these saucepans make pan-to-plate transfers a breeze, and they are oven-safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. With lids safe up to 425 degrees. Plus, they are metal utensil safe and dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup after every meal. Whether you're simmering sauces or boiling pasta, this saucepan set is designed to elevate your cooking experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.